Hello everyone. Today we're exploring Central Park, one of New York City's most iconic attractions. If you're visiting New York for the first time, this is a place you definitely shouldn't miss. Let's take a walk through the park and see what makes it so special. Central Park is located right in the heart of Manhattan and covers a huge area. It's hard to believe that such a peaceful place exists in the middle of a busy city like New York. As soon as you enter, you'll notice beautiful trees, wide walking paths, and open spaces where people come to relax and enjoy nature. One of the things that makes Central Park so special is its scenery. Everywhere you look, there's something beautiful: lakes, bridges, and stunning views all around. This beautiful park was first opened in 1858, making it over 160 years old. It has been part of New York's history for generations. The park is loved by both locals and visitors. People come here for walking, jogging, cycling, or simply spending time outdoors with family and friends. What makes it even more interesting is the contrast: peaceful green landscapes surrounded by New York's famous skyline. After spending time here, it's easy to see why Central Park is one of the most visited places in New York City. It truly offers a refreshing break from the city's busy life. I hope you enjoyed this short tour of Central Park. If you're planning a trip to New York, make sure to add it to your list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.